This is problem number 9 from section 3.6. And this problem says find dy over dt for y equals 2t times 3t squared minus 4 to the 5th power. You'll notice we have a function times another function, and then we also have a function inside of a function. So we're going to have to use the product rule to take care of this multiplication. And then inside the product rule, we're going to end up using the chain rule. So let's start by writing out what our u and our v are. So this is u, this is v. So we're going to say u equals 2t, u prime, v prime. V is 3t squared minus 4 to the 5th power. We do the derivative of 2t, that's just 2, and the derivative of this is going to have to use the chain rule. So the derivative of the outside is 5, 3t squared minus 4 to the 4th, derivative of the outside, times the derivative of the inside, which is 3t squared. We bring the 2 to the front, so that's 6t, which is equal to, if we multiply that out, that'll be 30t 3t minus 4 to the 4th. So now let's use the product rule and say that dy over dt, derivative of y with respect to t, is going to equal, let's go u prime v, so it's 2 times 3t squared minus 4 to the 5th, and plus, we get 2t times 30t, 3t minus 4 to the 4th. Let's go ahead and start simplifying. We end up with 2, 3t squared minus 4 to the 5th, plus this will be 60t squared and then we have 3t minus 4 to the 4th. I'm going to factor out 3t minus 4 to the 4th. So we end up with 3t minus 4 Oh, this should have been squared here. I screwed that up. This should have been squared, so this is squared. Made a mistake right here. This is 3t minus 4, 3t squared minus 4. That should have said 3t squared minus 4, so this should be 3t squared minus 4. I noticed that the degrees were different. I'm like, why? Well, the reason was I forgot that 2 there. So actually I'm factoring out 3t minus 4. That's my bad. 3t minus 4 to the 4th. So this is to the 4th power is what's being factored out. And that leaves you with 2, 3t squared minus 4, because there'll be one of those left, plus 60t squared. So you end up with 3t squared minus 4 to the 4th. And then I can distribute there, so it's times, that'll be 6t squared minus 8 plus 60t squared. Let's combine those together. We get 3t squared minus 4 to the 4th times 66t squared minus 8. And so we end up with this being our derivative for the original function y equals 2t times 3t squared minus 4 to the 5th. We had to use the product rule because of the multiplication, and then we had to use the chain rule. I made a slight mistake right there by forgetting that 2. I didn't bring it down when I rewrote this derivative, so that kind of threw us off there for a second. But then you can see we can factor it out, so on and so forth.